Good morning, dear students. Now we can continue our chapter Windows 7. In the previous classes, we discussed about Windows 7 definition and then Windows desktop, then how to change desktop background and how to change Windows color. These portions we already discussed. I hope you understood these portions. Then now we are going to study screensaver. Screensaver in Windows. The screensaver is a moving or still picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. You know that screensaver. In our mobile phone also that screensaver is coming there. Okay, that screensaver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. The moment we touch the keyboard or mouse, the screensaver disappears and our computer screen is open there. Okay, that screensaver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. Then now we can check how to set screensaver in Windows 7. It's same as setting wallpaper or desktop backgrounds. Anyway, we can discuss it. Same, if you are not touching that keyboard or mouse, sometimes this like moving pictures are coming there. Sometimes it's a still picture. That's according to our setting. Okay. Normally we are giving or we are setting this screensaver as this moving picture. This like picture is coming. This is known as screensaver. Then now let us check how to set screensaver in Windows 7. For setting screensaver in Windows 7, first you can right click on any blank space in your desktop. See, their personalize option is there. This box is coming there. Their screensaver one option is there. The last option is screensaver. Just click on that screensaver option. See, another window will come like this. See, their screensaver, that display options, different options are there. See, there are different options there. If you are giving none option, screensaver is not coming. Then 3D text. See, likewise, a text is coming there. That's Windows 7 is the default 3D text. Then blank screensaver. Then bubbles. See, that bubbles are coming there. Some bubbles like something is coming there. See, some bubbles are coming there. Likewise, there are so many other different types of screensavers are there. You can set it anything you want. Likewise. Then after clicking that, there apply button is there. Click on the apply button. But before clicking that apply button, their wait option is there. Click on the wait option. There, set the time after which you want the screensaver to start. Just click on the wait option, set time. Then click on the apply button. Then OK button. Then press the OK button. Then you can minimize or close that window. Then you can close the window. Then wait some time. Just 1 minute I gave there. So just leave your mouse and keyboard. No need to touch your keyboard and mouse. 1 minute. After 1 minute, that screensaver is coming like this. That moving picture I already gave there. That moving picture is coming like this. This is the screensaver. Understood? I hope you understood that screensaver. Then we can move to our next topic, gadgets. Gadgets are small programs of Windows 7. They provide information and are fun to use. See, this is Windows 7 desktop. In that side there is a clock picture and a puzzle picture. These are known as gadgets. Normally we are adding the gadgets as clock, calendar, picture puzzle and weather likewise. Okay. See, this is the gadgets. Some gadgets are clock, calendar, picture puzzle, weather. Clock is displaying the current time. You can change the clock's design in the Windows 7. Clock is used to display the current time. Then calendar. Calendar display the calendar of the current year. Calendar display the calendar of the current year. Next, picture puzzle. Say jumbled pieces of picture to be solved by arranging the pieces. See, picture puzzle is a game-like option. Next, weather. It display the temperature and weather of the selected city. We can search more than one gadgets on your desktop. Then we can check how to set gadget in MS Windows 7. To add gadget in your desktop, first you want to right click on your desktop. See, here gadget 1 option is there. Click on the gadget option. Another box will come or another small window will come. It contains different gadgets. This is the gadget menu window. It appears on the screen. There are so many different gadgets are there. This is the gadget menu window. And then it contains calendar, clock, puzzle game, weather and so many other things also there. If you want any one, you just double click on that item. Just double click on that item. That gadget is coming in your desktop screen. See, I just add one more gadget in your desktop. Just double click on that gadget. That one is coming on the right side of the screen. See, if you move your mouse pointer on the gadget, there are 4 buttons are displaying there. I just move the gadget in this side. Then I will explain that 4 buttons. See the 4 buttons. The last button is drag gadget button. Drag gadget button means you can drag the gadget in one place to another place. Next one is option button. This option button is used to choose a picture. Option button is used to choose a picture. We can change the picture of that gadget from this button and select the current location, and then you can change that location. This is the weather gadget, the temperature and weather of the selected city. So you can change it from here. Click on the OK button. That weather of that place is changed likewise, and picture also changed from this. That is the option button. Next option is larger size. Next option is larger size. Clicking on this button increase the size of the gadget. Just clicking on this button increase the size of the gadget. After increasing size, the button changes to another one picture. Clicking on that button, the picture back to the smaller size. Next one is close button. Clicking the close button removes the gadget from the desktop. Clicking on the close button, the gadget removed from the desktop. These are the 4 buttons in the gadget. See, this is the 4 buttons in gadget. Close button, larger button, options button and drag gadget button. Close button is used to close the gadget, and larger button is used to increase and decrease the size of the gadget. Options buttons display some options in the gadgets, and drag gadget button used to drag gadget and place the gadget at any place on the desktop. Now we studied about screensaver and gadget in Windows 7. Let us discuss our textbook. Take your textbook, page number 12, setting screensaver. See, screensaver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. Screensaver is a still or moving picture that appears when the keyboard or mouse is not touched for some time. The moment we touch the keyboard or mouse, the screensaver disappears. When the screensaver disappears, the moment we touch the keyboard or mouse. Then the steps for setting screensaver. First, right click on the desktop, click on personalize. In the personalize window, click on the screensaver option. See this one. Choose the screensaver from here and then set the time after which you want to the screensaver start from here, that wait time. See, from here you can set the time. And first you can click on the apply button, then OK button. First apply, then OK. OK, that is screensaver. Then move to the next page, gadgets. Gadgets are small programs of Windows 7. This provide information and fun to use. Normally there are 4 gadgets that usually we are using this 4 gadget: clock, calendar, picture puzzle, weather. Clock displays the clock with current time. This one is clock. Any other pictures, clock design also we can change. This is the normal clock design. And then calendar display the calendar puzzle, calendar of the year. And picture puzzle displays the puzzle as jumbled pieces of picture to solve by arranging the pieces. This is a game like puzzle game. Okay. Then weather, it display the temperature and weather of the selected city. This like this picture, this design also we can change. Okay, you can set one or more gadget on your desktop. Then see, check how to set gadget. First, right click on the desktop, click on the gadget option. See, this option is coming there. This is the gadget menu. Just double click on any one option or any option. That one is coming in the right side of the desktop. And after setting the gadget, you just move the mouse pointer on the gadget. There are 4 options. These like 4 buttons are displaying there. The top section, that is close button. This clicking on the close button, it remove the gadget from the desktop. And larger size, this one. Clicking the button increase the size of the gadget. After increasing the size, the symbol is changed like this. Okay, just click on this, that gadget is decreasing the size. Okay, picture back to its smaller size. So this second option, this second button is used to increase and decrease the size of the gadget. Then for third one, option button. This option button is used to choose a picture or any other thing, that options of that gadget. Then next one, drag gadget button. This one, the last one. The drag gadget button is used to drag and place the gadget at any place of the desktop. Just move the gadget from one place to another place. Got it? Read the textbook neatly and study the portions.